All right, both Flacker and Steve are with us today. It's not often we see you two together. That's interesting.
I know, it's weird.
Okay.
We've decided to stick together.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's a
So
great
our
development.
scientists are working on something big for you, Tom, today, because we've
good.
been told that you sing in the shower, and when you come out, you feel like you can get on the voice and win. And we've been trying to figure out why.
Yeah, science is trying to figure this out.
And what we've come up with is, well, one, the acoustics in your shower
Yes.
based on the materials.
Yes.
They're saying that's a lot. The side, gives you the right amount of reverb.
Yeah,
Sort of gives you that
Right,
false sense of
right.
being talented when you're just Tom. And then also the warm water triggers dopamine, which also tricks you into thinking you're voice worthy.
Well, we put the
not.
dope and dopamine here, and I want to say that I think there is a very unscientific to all of the theories about people singing in the shower, and I do think there is that reverb, there is that sound.
That sounds
For
a
sure.
little bit better.
Well, that
yeah.
echo in there, but I think
Yeah.
there are two other things that are the real reasons people think they sing better in the shower. One is there is the white noise of the shower drowning out a lot of your garbage.
Yes.
And two is, it is probably
not bad.
the one part of the day when you're really alone and nobody has to put up with your singing. So
Yes, there's that.
there's, I think, alone
really?
and white noise are the real
Background singers.
bonus factors.
That
Yeah,
white noise
it's not like the
background
Pips
singers?
are in the shower with you
No,
singing.
they're not.
So,
No, but I usually invite like
Look
3
at
or 4
you.
different neighbors over just to
Yeah.
stand outside the
Or
shower
you did
area
crank
to
the
hear my
windows
audition.
open.
well,
or-
you invite
No,
them.
I have them in chairs.
Do they
flipped the
come?
other way, and if they like it, they can. Yeah, they can turn around and go, yes, I
Wow.
want you on Team Blake.
Well, there's
Sort
a
of would do
visual
the
that
voice
just
in my
ruined
bathroom.
most my day.
I,
All right. Sorry.
I kind of was actually buying your theory, Tom.
You know what happened? All the dopamine just left my body when
It did. It left a lot of people's body all at once.
we're all out of dopamine.
like a mass.
It's not even 4:30 and it's
Dopamine
gone.
We're
Yeah.
dopamine deprived.
Fellas,
Already.
Thanks for that.
Thanks, Kim.
Another
bad.
tour through the annals of
Right.
science.
Yep.
Thanks,
You're
guys.
welcome.
See you guys tomorrow.